Hello guys! In this video, I will show you how to design and print business cards in Canva the correct way, step by step. First, go to canva.com. In the search bar, type business card and choose any template you like. Let's select this one. You can customize anything here, including text, colors, icons, and layout, simply by clicking on any element. For this tutorial, I won't change much. I just want to clearly show you the printing process. Once you are done, click Share, then Download. You can download the front and back designs separately or both together. Since my design has both front and back pages, Canva downloads them as a zip file. Extract the zip file and you will get the front and back designs separately. Now go back to Canva and click Create a Design. I will use A4 size to print the business cards, but you can use any paper size you prefer, such as letter or A3. Here, I'm choosing A4 Landscape. Printing in landscape mode allows you to fit more business cards on one page, which saves paper and money. Now, upload the design you downloaded earlier and drag it onto the canvas. Click Position, then go to Advanced and make sure Lock Aspect Ratio is turned on. This is very important. Now set the size. The standard business card size is 8.89 centimeters wide and 5.08 centimeters high. Once resized, place the card in the top left corner. Duplicate the card and place it below the first one. Keep duplicating and arranging like this. Then select all of them, duplicate again, and place them beside the first column. Repeat until the page is neatly filled, and finally, center align everything. Now add a new page for the back side and drag it onto the canvas, and repeat the exact same steps. Resize it to the same dimensions, duplicate it, and arrange it in the same positions. Make sure the back layout matches the front side perfectly. If everything looks good, click Share, then Download. Choose PDF Print as the file type and select the CMYK color profile, which is best for professional printing. Now, download the file. Open the PDF, and that's it. Your business card is now 100% print ready. Good luck with your business. If you found this video helpful, give it a like, and don't forget to subscribe for more Canva and design tutorials. Thanks for watching.